Motion in a straight line. So when you are talking about motion in a straight line, we are looking at objects moving in a straight line, not a zigzag. Huh? Yes. Let's look what terms used. Terms used. The first term is distance. Distance. What does distance mean? Distance, we write, I'm not going to go into those definitions. Is that clear? Yes. Distance is the length. Is the length between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points. Length between 2 points is known as the distance. So the length from here to there is d. So you can ask it, what is the distance from Masaka to Mbarara? What is the distance from Kampala to Jinja? The length between Kampala and Jinja is known as the distance. 2. Displacement. Displacement. What is displacement? The distance moved in a specified direction. The distance moved in a specified direction. Distance moved in a specified direction. So when you are asked for displacement, you must specify the direction. Okay? In which direction? Therefore, displacement is a vector quantity. Remember, we started with vector quantities and scalar quantities. A vector quantity is a quantity which shows magnitude and direction. So displacement shows both. Therefore, it is a vector. You must specify direction. That's why you are saying it is the distance moved in a specified direction. You can say distance moved in a particular direction. So you state the direction. The SI unit of displacement is a meter. SI unit is a meter. So when you are starting with displacement, you state the units in meters. But you also indicate the direction. Speed. The other definition. Speed. Speed is a G. Speed is the rate of change. The rate of change of distance moved. The rate of change of distance moved with time. Correctly. Whenever you see that word rate. Rate means you are dividing by time. Huh? Dividing by 100. You are dividing with time. So whenever you see rate, there is an element of time. Therefore, speed is equal to distance moved over time. Yeah? Here we don't state direction. So speed is a scalar quantity. Altogether, SI unit of speed is meter per second. Remember, distance is measured in meters and time in seconds. Therefore, SI unit is meters per second. Distance is speed is measured in meters per second. But you can use other units as well, such as kilometer per hour. Yeah? Is that clear? Yes. Next, we have velocity. Velocity. What is velocity? The rate of change of displacement in a specified direction. The rate of change. The rate of change of displacement. Displacement. How do you write it? Display. The rate of change of displacement. Rate. You have said rate means pattern. So there is an element of time. However, you should also know that this one, since there is a displacement, there is particular direction, and therefore velocity is a vector quantity. Therefore, velocity is speed in a specified direction. Therefore, velocity is speed in specified direction. Speed in a specified direction, and it is a scalar, a vector. Whatever specific direction is that. Therefore, it is a vector quantity. It's a vector quantity. Am I clear? Yes. Since we have said it is a vector quantity, therefore, velocity. We have said velocity is equal to speed, displacement, displacement, over time. Displacement over time. So can we derive the standard units? What unit is displacement? Displacement is measured in meter. What about time? So it is in meters per second. This is the SI unit. It is the same as speed. Velocity and speed have the same units. The only difference is that velocity, you specify direction. Speed, you don't, but they are the same. So can you give me the difference between speed and velocity? Speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. Any other? Uniform velocity. Number 5. Uniform velocity. Uniform uniform. This is the constant rate change of displacement. Is the constant rate of change. Constant rate of change. Constant rate of change of displacement. Constant rate of change of displacement. Kahati. If you are moving from here to Masaka, and in every 10 seconds you cover 10 kilometers. You do it again in 10 kilometers, use 10. So the change is called constant. That one is called constant velocity. The constant rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Then we look at uniform speed. Uniform speed. Uniform speed. The speed is distance over time. So if you have uniform speed, it means you are not increasing, you are not decreasing. You are moving uniform. So where is the constant rate of change of the distance? Is the constant rate of change of the distance. The constant rate of change of distance. Constant rate of change of the distance. All together? Yes.